as if I'm playing with you, but the words I'm saying is true. Woman, I know they tell no lie. Way I know they play, my love is for two. I be you go be my girl. Way I go surely take you there. How you they rock my world? That they make I they ask you say no. You go be my girl. Way I go surely take you there. How you they rock my world? Now they make I they ask you say. Allow me to kiss your hand, be your man. You know I understand. Yeah, yeah. Allow me to kiss your hand, be your man. You know I understand. Yes, you know. All I wanna hear you say I do. Make you know the fear I go there by you. Girl, to the end of time is true. I be you, go be my boo. All I wanna hear
It's teachers again.
Oh. Wait, we get one song where they sing that.
And now, my mother.
My mother told me. Wait.
My mother told me that she will buy me.
Wait, now you they mistake the thing.
No, now you.
My mother told me
that she will buy me.
My
Another
baby.
If I make
Yeah! This is what do you play? Which can this can play now? Which can play we play when it's small?
You know, remember?
Scrabble, yeah.
Get out!
I'm also Scrabble.
Get out! Which
Which
kind
kind
of
Scrabble?
I remember Sandalili.
No. You get us to do at that time. Where you, if you want to sing that Sandalili, you go get up. Sandalili, 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 Sandalili.
I have a daughter in my turn.
Data!
Somebody know you well. If they look you up and down, you will know that it's true.
Hey!
Oh!
Sandalili,
Which one again? Make us. Is it remind me one now?
No, leave am.
Scrabble. That's Scrabble.
Get out!
Wait for see Scrabble.
Leave am.
If you see Scrabble today, you go sabi play Scrabble.
You get one way. You know what we do past that and way we small now. Song. They can't change them. Like Chaka Chame, that Yvonne Chaka song.
Okay. I'm in love.
No.
Wait.
If I remember that,
Which kind of song was that?
I wait.
All those cats when they say when it's small, then go change. You go then go
For
change
assembly.
song. Hey,
The day is bright.
Happy day. The day of joy.
The day is bright. The bright of happy day.
Anyway, on a good evening and welcome to the night show for today, maybe Friday, Relationship Friday.
My brother.
Me and Katim as usual with us in that spread leg. And our able DJ Easy Beat.
When say they only play Scrabble that time when it's
Now
small.
mine am Scrabble
You
never
are
come out that
daddy.
time.
You never come out.
Scrabble don't
And
do.
snake and lead and ludo and what?
Suwe. Suwe. And then when they say ever 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, what they do? You go like this. You go do 2. If you do,
Yeah.
then you can't put your hand like this.
Nah, that is.
2, 3. You can't do like this. You can't wipe you. Pa. For hand. They go
You
slap
know
you.
what they do like this that time? What did that one be?
And stand still. That's how small. They go do like this. They go do like this. They say, if I catch you.
Then they say I dare you. You go you do this
Yeah.
one. Can't do like
Do like
this.
this.
He say one beg.
Beg. That time when they grow up, if you do your hand like this, where your friend catch you, where your hand they free, they will say, stand still.
Yes.
You do like
You
that.
got like it. Maybe your mom gonna call you.
Your man gonna call you.
Nedu.
Nedu.
Then you go to think.
Mommy, they say I should stand still. Anyway, today on top of the night show, you get a plenty things. Pastor Yayin. Where Pastor Yayin? I say Pastor Yayin now.
No, we don't sell him. You save Nedu before. Don't tell people. Now say we don't kidnap him.
No, we not keep. Pastor Yayin, enter.
Now you go do like this. They hide him before. Oh!
Yo, peace.
Peace.
That's how we roll like egg roll.
See katim today.
On a peaceful Friday.
What is going on here?
Yo.
Anyway, before we enter into the matter of today, it gets some kind of things when they say we go talk like small. Now, thank God, say Pastor don't sit down before we start the main show.
That's
it. Now, one Nigerian pastor, a UK-based pastor, his name now Olubenga Oladejo.
Don't call his name.
No, he dey internet now. The name of his church na Complete in Christ Church, CICC.
Yeah, if you hear that kind of name of church, you say Coco.
You be like paragraph.
I tell you, my brother.
Complete in Christ Church, that's the name of in church. Now, this man now don't come outside and talk, say, any husband and wife or anybody, when it be say, when you dey wipe, you know, do things way past missionary style. You are going to have fire.
Story.
I bet Mom see the picture of that man, the pastor. Mom put the picture of the pastor. Now the pastor be that.
I not blame him. You never see hunger where wire am. That's why. See him as he be.
Pastor Olugbenga, Oladejo. In case you don't know the one they call it missionary style. I be no know. Now him be this now. When he say man go just lie on top woman.
They look am for eye.
Now so then go browse website. Once they don't browse finish.
No, they could do perception.
Once they don't browse finish, then
in other words,
they will come go house. But this man now come to talk say, if you are all those girls, like Easy Beats, where they hang girl for burglary proof.
Nedu.
Where they do snake and ladder.
Why come missing at my name they call
now? Nedu not be so easy, bio.
Why come missing at my name they call now?
Maybe easy make you remember somebody. Maybe you just talk am like that.
Pastor, what do you have to say about this?
Well,
hey.
Easy Beats, well done.
Well done, Pastor. I know say Pastor know as they go. All the when they do your talk, so they do just won't put me for a while.
I confused as
okay.
like carry you put for outside.
Oh, I should be saying they do that.
Trouble with them.
I don't know whether they do there when
first off, make I just first clarify. Say, no be say una dey disrespect the pastor.
No, now what you talk?
First, make we just establish first.
Yes,
say, we no discrediting work or the church. We respect, say, na man of God.
He's a man of God.
And they teach. But as he leave him for only that, because now this show now for everybody.
That's for everybody.
And they don't involve married people things. So for marriage, na exploration.
So you go. So what you try talk now? So, say if you hang for burglary.
No, you talk that one, Nedu.
Nedu.
No, now question now.
But one wife you talk categorically, be say no be only that one sexual style.
Okay.
Now adventure, you get the rest of your life.
Okay.
To enjoy yourself as husband and as wife. So as you talk and so maybe now I no go totally agree with them because adventurous people they and if now your husband nothing do you. If now your wife, nothing do you.
Anyway, now wait till the guy talk about that. So those of now where they do missionary, now if begin they do different style like snake and ladder, to way and the rest of them. And then the second gist before we enter into the main topic of today. Now one husband and wife for inside India, millionaire, na they be say na Savista Brajesh.
You even try to call their name. Those their name.
See them, husband and wife.
No wonder they resemble their name.
Now millionaires them be.
And then they so.
No, na millionaires them be. Google them. Google them.
No,
they say
see that jacket.
They are full money now. They don't transfer to their monkey.
And they don't die.
No, they never die. See the monkey. They transfer their full money. They go show they will transfer their full wealth. They show their for their will now. When they die, now monkey. See where should they feed the monkey?
So if they kill this monkey,
now dead the wahala there. Now the will go they fly for up.
So
when they die now, now the monkey now go collect the thing now.
And maybe they no get children.
Maybe they not get. No, they say the monkey. Well, according to the story, they say the monkey now it bring good luck. Give them. And
secondly, we know say India
yes.
gets a lot of attachments to deities and various types of gods. So the bottom line is say we don't know how that monkey take be for them. For some people now, if it be the two then they worship. You know, for some. So it they critical, but even though socially, just click. Say now the monkey go, last give unto charity. Last.
Yeah.
But,
anyway, for the last one, the last topic where we'll talk before we enter the main topic of today, the last time about this one, it happened for inside today. It happened for Rido community for inside the Kaduna State. Before now for France, Kenya.
No, but now your area now, you know that place very well.
Yes, they're bombing for Kaduna.
Nedu hood.
Now the women come outside now, come they complain. See the women. They pull everywhere.
They menu, they don't fix.
So they people come they begin. Then they complain, say their men libido, they very low.
This not real story.
I tell you what Kaduna.
No, na real.
Na real story. Say they are men. No only 1 minute. The man could just say, "Man go see me puku." You can just open leg. Wow. Woo! They come out. So their men libido they too high. So they satisfy them.
Okay, so who then go meet?
I know they do protest.
I try put them for perspective. So who then go meet? Local government chairman or how you run, you know? Because this is not real.
What did the man go tell her?
Well,
women, don't worry, just be coming 1-1 every day.
Nedu, you dey very wicked.
But you see, say this where we they talk now, don't reach social scale.
Oh.
Where man and woman get to be taught how to they satisfy each other. As it be so, it be like saying that it's where we go just make conversation this night, because this not real big. The people they pretend for themselves for marriage, and because today now the weekend after Valentine,
yes,
we won't teach one drop meat where they go fit take hold. They go for front. They do nice one there.
Nice make us use that one as the last one, because now one of the topics going to be now the major topic we will discussion today. But anyway, we go back small chicken break. Moko hand over to Easy Bit. So we come back, we go enter the main cocoa today now. Wiping.
Hey, Nedu, I know they do. You remember you don't say all the song when Easy they play. Nah, a blast from the past.
Love.